The Food Media Network presents Kitchen Lingo, the 5-second culinary vocab learning challenge. Common culinary terms range from various ways to serve and prepare food and beverages, to kitchen items and equipment, to the names of the dishes themselves. Cooking definitions can also come from languages other than English, such as French and Italian, which can sometimes be challenging to understand. However, learning as many kitchen terms and culinary vocabulary as you can helps provide a fundamental knowledge for any food and beverage professional or enthusiast. Do you know what today's word means in the culinary world? Well, you will have 5 seconds before the answer is revealed. But if you need more time, you can always hit pause. Today's word is tomatillo, spelled Tomatillo. Tomatillo.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
According to the Food Lover's Companion, this fruit belongs to the same nightshade family as the tomato and is also called Mexican green tomato. In fact, it resembles a small green tomato in size, shape, and appearance, except for the fact that it has a thin, parchment-like covering. This papery husk is a clue to the fact that the tomatillo is also related to the Cape gooseberry. Although tomatillos can ripen to yellow, they are generally used while still green and quite firm, and their flavor has hints of lemon, apple, and herbs. Tomatillos are popular in Mexican and Southwest cooking for use in a variety of dishes, including guacamole and many sauces. They can also be used raw in salads and salsa for a more acidic taste. Tomatillos are rich in vitamin A and contain a good amount of vitamin C. Okay, if you knew what the word meant, good job! If you didn't know, well, you do now, and the word has been added to your Kitchen Lingo word inventory. Thank you for playing, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. It's free, so that way you'll be notified when the next Kitchen Lingo Culinary Vocab Learning Challenge is available.